Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami.
Okay guys, welcome back to another video in my kitchen, Grace's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I do my sorrel juice. As you can see here, I have some ginger. So what I'm going to do, normally I like beat up the ginger and I put it in the water to boil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it up. Alrighty, then I put it in the water to boil. And here you see I have my it said 100% dry natural sorrel tea. Alrighty, so this is the sorrel. I'm going to use the pack sorrel, and when I'm doing my sorrel I use clove stick in it. See, I use clove in it. So I'm going to blend up my ginger, and I will show you what I do after. Okay, so this is the ginger. Alrighty, so I blend my ginger, so I'm going to go over to the pot with the water boiling, and I'm going to pour this into the pot of boiling water. So as you can see here, my water is boiling, so I'm going to pour this into the boiling water, and I'm going to leave it to boil because I really need my ginger to taste in my sorrel. And I'm going to also put the clove stick into it and let it stay there and boil. Alright, so you're going to boil the ginger in the water first, then you're going to put your sorrel after into it for it to draw. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to put some clove stick in it. Alright, so that's my clove stick. Okay, so as you can see, the water boiling with the ginger and the clove. You see, it's boiling, so I'm going to leave it there to boil. I want it to boil, like really boil, till the ginger tastes in it. Alright, so stay tuned, don't touch that dial. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour my sorrel into my water now. As you can see, my water is boiling. You can see the water turn the color of the ginger. So I'm going to go straight ahead. You know what, let me turn the stove off. Turn off the stove. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour my sorrel into the water. Alright, and I'm going to cover it and I'm going to leave it for it to draw. Alright, remember, then after you're going to turn off the stove. Alright, so I pour everything. I pour 1 pack of sorrel. Guys, my video girl is not here. She's at school, so I have to do it myself. So meantime I'm videoing, I have to do this. So I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna let it stay there and draw. Then you will see the finished look. Alrighty, bye. Look at this. You can see, you see it's getting ready. You see this? So as I said, I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna leave it so it can stay there and draw. So this is my sorrel. As you see, it cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it and I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna show you how I do my sorrel. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm taking some of these trash out and I'm gonna strain it. this. Let me go this way so you could see. So I'm gonna pour this. And guys, remember I boiled my sorrel with the ginger and the clove stick. So when you boil your sorrel, you have to make sure it cool before you mix it, because when it don't cool and you mix it, you're gonna put sugar like crazy, because you're not gonna get the sweetness because it's hot. So you have to make sure it cool before you could mix it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna strain this over into this. So I'm gonna strain this one more time because you want to make sure it's strained properly. You're not drinking any sorrel crumbs. Guys, I'm sorry for the noise. You see how this red and pretty, guys? Is one big pack of sorrel. Guys, I'm gonna sweeten my sorrel. So I'm using the brown sugar. Gonna sweeten for taste, alright? And as I said, I boil my sorrel with the ginger and the clove stick. Guys, you could put rum in yours. I normally put rum in mine, but I'm not gonna put any rum in it because of the kids, and I'm gonna give them like some, so I'm not gonna put any rum into mine. As I said, you could put rum, but it's optional. Yes, yeah, some people gonna say making sorrel without rum is no sorrel at all, but when you're giving kids, you have to be careful. Wow, this, you taste the real ginger. This need more sugar. Okay guys, as I said, we have to make sure it cool before you mix it, because if it don't cool, it's not gonna you're gonna like put a whole ton of sugar in it and you're still not gonna get the taste. So you have to make sure it cool before you sweeten it. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit more. You see how much sugar this take? Sorry, take a lot of sugar. So this little bit, I think it's okay. So guys, you will see the finished look when I present my sorrel. Alright, look at it. See that? So you will see the finished look when I present it. Alrighty? Okay guys, so this is the finished look of my sorrel. Alrighty, look how red and pretty it is. And as I said, you can put rum in yours if you want to, and you could put red label wine. It's up to you what you want to put in your sorrel, but as I said, I just do mine plain. I just use the ginger because of the kids. I don't want to put any rum, so I just use the ginger and the the clove stick, but it tastes really nice. Alrighty, make sure when you see this video you'll thumbs up it. Alright, bye, have a blessed one.